And now there is breaking news coming across which is related to these attacks only. Now India has issued advisory for Indian nationals who are residing in Israel. India has asked Indians in Israel to stay vigilant as these attacks and counter-attacks continue. Indians are being told who are living in Israel to not take any unnecessary trips. As we all know, there are right now barrage of missiles from Iran heading towards Israel, and Indian Embassy has issued this advisory for the Indians who are living there. For more on this, let's cut across to Shivani Sharma. Shivani, there is a huge Indian community in Israel as well. So what are the important advisory points that have been issued to them?
Anjali, as the tensions between Israel and Iran continue to escalate, the Embassy of India in Tel Aviv says that it is in touch with all the members of Indian community in Israel, and all the members have been told to take necessary protocols and measures that are being given out there in Israel with the home front in the wake of this current situation. And the safety and security of Indian national is most paramount. That has been said in this advisory. And any kind of unnecessary travel has to be avoided. That's what the advisory says. And the advisory remains not only for Israel, Anjali, this is an advisory which has also come from the Indian Embassy in Iran. So in Iran also the situation remains quite tense, and for the people of India, Indian nationals who are in Iran, they are also being told to be very cautious, be at secure places, and to be in touch with the embassy in Iran. So both Israel and Iran, as we are seeing a lot of escalation in the tensions, a lot of missile attacks happening by both the countries at each other. So the Indian embassy has given out this advisory for Indians to stay in touch with the embassies of India and to stay cautious and safe.
Right. Thank you, Shivani. So Indians being told to stay safe.